pull down on this. Alright? I'm going to beep it first just to prove that it's on. Is it working?
Dog shot collar, go.
See, I'm going to beep it. Okay. Alright, if you're a dog, you'd have to sit. Okay. And then I'm going to do this.
Oh man, oh shit.